we are learning that SP Chief and former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has said that the SP delegation will visit violence-affected Sambhal. Akhilesh's statement has come after SP leader's role has emerged in the FIR. He's been named as the #1 accused, Akhilesh Yadav, who has been shielding him from the word go. Not just that, he gathered all the SP leaders who had also approached Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on this matter, asking him to intervene. And now in the latest, we are learning that an SP delegation that is all set to visit Sambhal. Let's listen in.
जब संभल में जिस तरह का काम सरकार ने किया है, जाने चली गई हैं, गम के साए में कैसे उत्सव मनाया जा सकता है? जहां जाने चली गई और न्याय नहीं मिल रहा है, तमाम हजारों लोगों को झूठे मुकदमे में फंसाया जा रहा है। वहां के सांसद, वहां के विधायक और उनके पुत्र पर झूठे मुकदमे लगाए रहे हैं। पूरी गलती है तो वो सरकार की है। सर्वे जब एक बार हो चुका था, फिर दोबारा सर्वे क्यों करना? और अगर दोबारा सर्वे भी करना था तो आपस में बैठ करके बातचीत की जा सकती थी। बातचीत कर करके जो बातें रह गई थी उनका दोबारा सर्वे कराया जा सकता था। सर्वे के खिलाफ नहीं थे, लेकिन जिस तरह का सर्वे करते समय जो टीम के पीछे नारे लगा रहे थे, क्या उनके खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई हुई? क्या सर्वे के साथ और सर्वे टीम के साथ बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता थे जो भड़का रहे थे? क्या उनके पास ऊपर कार्रवाई हुई? क्या उनको गिरफ्तार किया गया? क्या उनको जेल भेज दिया गया? विपक्ष न जाए वहां पे। वहां पर जो लोग परेशानी और तकलीफ में हैं, उनकी बात न सुन पाए, इसलिए इंटरनेट बंद है। वहां पर कोई जा नहीं सकता है। हमारे दो लीडर ऑपोजिशन हैं, दोनों हाउस के, दोनों जाना चाहते हैं आज, लेकिन दोनों को जाने की परमिशन नहीं दे रहे हैं। अगर हम भी यहां से चल दें, मान लीजिए अभी गेट बंद कर देंगे, हमारे सभी सांसद चाहते हैं कि हम जाएं आज संभल। अगर हम संभल जाने के कहेंगे तो कहेंगे संविधान नहीं मानते, कानून नहीं मानते, सरकार का नहीं मानते। तो ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वो लोग हैं जो मन विधान से चलना चाहते हैं, संविधान से नहीं।
And yes, that is what is happening in Sambhal, where the SP is taking this fight full on, blaming the Yogi government, blaming the cops. This, even as we understand that the investigation so far clearly reveals that it is that mob that was incited. And even as this SP MLA who's been named as the #1 accused in the FIR, it is SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav who has been shielding his man fully. Let me cut across to Deepak, joining us from the newsroom to take us through the details of the second FIR that has been filed, and also how Akhilesh Yadav is all bent on proving that the Yogi government is at fault. This SP delegation that is to go to Sambhal. What's the plan, Deepak?
Right, Suesha. Now, what we have to understand is that Akhilesh Yadav is the same leader. The first reaction that came, the first political reaction that came on Sambhal violence was not that of a condemnation, but that of a blame game. Akhilesh Yadav, instead of condemning what happened in Sambhal, he went on to blame the ruling dispensation on day one when he gave a reaction. And after that, what we got to know is that the FIR has clearly claimed that accused #1 is none other than the SP MP. So there is no word on Ziaur Rahman as well, what his role was and whether the party is going to take any action against him. And today what we heard from Akhilesh Yadav is nothing but a token reaction. He hasn't condemned it. He says that the incident is unfortunate. How can such an incident which led to such massive riots and violence be unfortunate when it's incited by his own neta? And on Constitution Day, Suesha, what's important to note here is that he skipped Constitution Day celebration, citing Sambhal violence as the reason. So clearly we go, what we get to understand here is that Akhilesh Yadav, instead of condemning what happened there and instead of calling for action against the mob that was involved in arsoning and also stone pelting, he's gone on to continue to blame the BJP government right in Uttar Pradesh. And he says that all of this is a result of, his party has said that all of this is a result of the judiciary's order, which has ordered a survey at this disputed mosque. So clearly he's shielding the rioters and not at all condemning the violence.
All right, Deepak, many thanks for getting us those details.